dare you to forget your ring?
No, these days, work, I'm busy, and when I'm showering, I remove it.
I came to tell you something. I went for checkup. I found out that I'm pregnant.
What? How could you dare come and sleep with a married man in his house on the marital bed?
You know what? You've come in a good time. They had caught me red-handed.
Come out of this bitch. You idiot. Come here.
I will tell your wife.
Never come here.
I will
okay?
break your marriage.
And
I'll tell your family.
Don't shout. Scary.
And you, I want to learn about you online. So you read a part of page on here.